When I first thought making my own app, I had no team, no designer, and no money. I was just sitting in my kitchen with a MacBook thinking, is it even possible to make at least $100 from this? Then I found out that Duolingo makes $50 million a month and Canva makes $35 million. That's when it hit me. Okay, it's not magic, so it's definitely possible. Those are the monthly revenues, and it's normal to ask yourself, do I even want to make an app? Because if you're watching this, you're probably already interested. And I'm glad you're here. You're in the right place, in the right time. Because right now, building apps has never been easier, but only for those who understand what they're doing. With basic skills of programming, a little bit of no-code or vibe coding, some design and marketing knowledge, you can already build a great income stream. You'll never have to work for anyone again if you do it right. My name is Max Evans. I've created dozens of apps. I started as iOS developer and now I'm engineering manager leading big development teams and launching new business verticals. I built 2 of my own startups and today I'm here to give all that experience to you. So what will you learn from this video? How long it really takes to build an app? What tech stack to use? How much it costs to build an app, how to promote your app, and finally, how much money one mobile app can actually make for you. Subscribe to this channel. Here I share the juiciest insights and knowledge from the world of IT and startup culture. Plus, I'm running a 1000-day challenge. In 1000 days, I must build a global IT business. You can follow my journey or join me, which would be even better. Alright, let's begin. How long will it take to build your own app? Great question, my friend. You are only a few key steps away from your first app. Step number 1, planning. Structure, screens, and main features. Step number 2, design. Sketches or full layouts. Step number 3, coding with the help of AI. Step number 4, testing and debugging. And step 5, publishing your app on the App Store. Let's go one by one. Step 1, planning. This part will take you about 2 to 7 days. You'll list all the key features, decide how the app will look, find designs that inspire you, study your competitors' solutions, and sketch a rough layout on the paper. The goal of this stage is a crystal clear understanding of what you need to build. Step 2, design. Here you can rely on AI. It can generate a decent basic design while you are code, and that's totally fine. But if you want a truly unique custom look, hire a designer to build it from scratch. That will take 1 to 14 days depending on complexity. Step 3, coding. Of course, this depends on the complexity of your app, but here is what I'll tell you. If you've never developed an app before, your prototype might take 1-2 months. For me, it usually takes 3 to 5 days. Step 4, testing. This step goes hand in hand with coding. You'll need to test everything, break it, fix it, and test again. Expect 3 to 7 days here. Step 5, publishing your app in the App Store. If you follow the guidelines carefully, you'll get approved in 4 or 5 days. If you break the rules, it could take up to a month. So overall, you can build and publish your first app in 20 days to 2-3 months, depending on your experience. Next, what tech stack should you use? Here is the thing. After studying multiple global revenue reports, I came to one huge insight. There is no point in starting with Android. Yes, there are more users, but Android users spend way less money. Conversion rates are lower and overall monetization is weaker. That means one thing. For your project, go iOS only, because iOS users convert better and pay more. You don't need to mess with cross-platform tools, just build natively. Here is what you'll need. A MacBook with an M1 chip or newer, starting around $1,000. It's a must-have if you are serious about tech and startups. OpenAI subscription, $20 a month. Cursor subscription, $20 a month. Xcode free from the App Store. That's your main app building environment. If you already have a MacBook, your totally monthly cost is just $40. If not, your initial investment will be around $1,000. Oh, and one more thing. You'll need an Apple developer license, which costs around $100 per year. Okay, let's move on. How to promote your app. This could be a whole separate video, but let's go over the basics. There are two main paths, organic and paid. For organic growth, focus on ASO, App Store optimization, and social media content. ASO is like SEO for the App Store. The higher you rank in the search, the more users you get. You can learn ASO yourself or pay around $100 or $150 to a specialist. And please, start creating content. Short videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, they'll drive traffic to your app faster than you think. For the paid promotion, you have Apple Search as ASA. Ads directly inside App Store search. They work great if your app has strong visuals and optimized keywords. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube ads, the classics, still powerful. So how much can you actually earn from your app? Awesome question. Of course, it depends on your marketing budget, but here is a realistic average. If you build a high-quality app, have solid visuals and ASO, set up smart pricing and a strong onboarding conversion, you can expect from $1,000 to $6,000 every month from one app. Of course, some apps make $20,000, $90,000, or even $200K or $300K monthly, but I'm giving you realistic numbers to aim for first. And remember, don't stop if you first try fails. Brick by brick, step by step, you're building your own empire. If you have no experience yet, that's okay. In a month, you could have your first product. In a 3, your first subscriptions. In a year, your first real business. The only thing standing between you and that is one decision: to start. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.